Hello, Super Readers! Welcome back to Phonics Fun Land. Are you ready for another exciting phonics adventure? If you're ready, clap your hands 3 times. Clap, clap, clap! Fantastic! Today we're learning a very special sound. Listen carefully. NG says ng. Can you say ng? Wonderful! Let's try again. Ng. One more time. Ng. Amazing! Now put your finger on your nose. When you say NG, can you feel your nose buzzing? Mm. Wow! You can feel the vibration. Now let's become super readers and blend some NG words together. Put on your magic reading glasses. Let's go! Ring, ing. Blend it. Ing. Ring. Everybody say ring. Again. Ring. One more time. Ing. Ring. Pretend you're wearing a shiny ring. Ring, ring. He's putting a diamond ring in her finger ring. Sing. Blend it. Sing. Everybody sing. La la la, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Again. Sing. La la la, do re mi fa sol la ti do. One more time. Sing, sing, sing. King, k-i-ng. Blend it. K-i-ng. King. Pretend to wear a crown. Again. K-i-ng. King. Pretend to wear a crown. Here comes the king. Let's take a bow. Bow, bow. The king is here. Wing, w-i-ng. Blend it. W-i-ng. Wing. Again. W-i-ng. Wing. Flap your wings. The wings flap, flap when the birds fly in the sky. Flap, flap, wing. Swing. Sway. Swing. Again. Sway. Swing. One more time. Sway. Swing, swing, swing. Let's play. It's time to swing. Excellent. Hang. Ha-ah-ng. Blend it. Ha-ah-ng. Hang. Again. Ha-ah-ng. Pretend to hang your bag. Hang, hang, hang. Bang. Blend it. Ba-ah-ng. Bang. One more time. Ba-ah-ng. Bang. Pretend to hit a drum. Bang, bang, bang. let's remember some NG words. Ring, sing, king, wing, swing, spring, strong, sling. Give yourself a big clap. Before we go, what sound does NG make? Again. Fantastic! Keep practicing your NG words every day. We'll see you in the next phonics adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, Super Readers!